Ya Bingy Chan, Bingy drummer call from Zion ground. Heartbeat of the people, ancient sound. Fire! Dance house, pop, EDM, spirit roots profound. Reggae message make the world spin round. Roots reggae, rastas rise, make the truth reveal. Words from the soul, every line a heal. French, Spanish, Swahili, Japanese slow. When the bass line drop, whole world know. From the streets to the mountains high, reggae lift the spirit, touch the sky. Culture can't hide, fire can't die. Music bring the people unified. From Jamaica to every nation, hear the vibration. Reggae are the voice of love and liberation. Every language, every tribe, every station. One heart, one sound, one foundation. Hip-hop verse, mic, dance house, pop, EDM, me hand rhythm. Dance house, pop, EDM, me chest. Lyrics full of purpose, always giving me best. From Kingston corners to the east and west. Sound system, culture, put the truth to test. Breaking down walls with a conscious style. Ancient drum pattern mixed with modern file. Youth them listening from mile to mile. Roots and future walking same aisle. Me a Bingy Chan, boom clap, boom heartbeat. Drum call every nation, tell the people come. Truth have no border, no kingdom done. Under one moon, under one sun. Spread the reggae music in every tongue. Old and young, let the songs be sung. Africa, Europe, America, Asia become one. Through roots vibration, the mission begun. From Jamaica, hear the vibration. Reggae are the voice of love and liberation. Every language, every tribe, every station. One heart, one sound, one foundation. Bingy keep beating, message now cease. Reggae carry justice, unity and peace. From mountain top to every city street. One love, one sound, one eternal beat.